Here, on the vast, silent plains of Mars, something extraordinary has taken root. It is a testament to the power of life and the unyielding spirit of human curiosity. Great domes like giant bubbles of glass rest upon the red soil. They are not empty. Inside, a world of green thrives against all odds. Trees stretch their branches towards the transparent ceilings, their leaves catching the faint Martian sunlight. Fields of crops, from golden wheat to vibrant vegetables, grow in neat rows. This is a garden in the middle of a desert, a splash of life on a world that has been dormant for billions of years. It is a sight of breathtaking beauty and immense achievement. The sun, a smaller, more distant star than the one we know, rises over the horizon. Its light filters through the domes, casting a warm, gentle glow upon the plants within. It creates a scene almost like a painting, a perfect blend of natural wonder and human ingenuity. These structures are more than just buildings, they are self-contained ecosystems, carefully balanced to sustain life far from home. Water cycles through intricate systems, and the air is rich with oxygen, a precious gift from the photosynthesizing plants. Here, humanity has not just visited another world, it has brought a piece of Earth with it, creating a sanctuary of life in the cold emptiness of space. Outside the domes, the colony bustles with quiet, purposeful activity. Sleek, futuristic spacecraft stand on landing pads, their metallic surfaces gleaming in the morning light. They are the vital link back to our home planet, the vessels that carry people, supplies and dreams across the immense void. Near them, utility buildings house the complex machinery that keeps the colony alive. Power generators, water recyclers, and life support systems. Every part of this settlement has been designed with incredible care, a symphony of engineering and biology working in perfect harmony to support this fragile new beginning for our species. In the foreground of this incredible scene, two advanced rovers are making their way across the rust-colored dust. Their wheels leave deep, clear tracks in the soft ground, a sign of constant movement and exploration. Astronauts in modern, streamlined spacesuits work alongside them. They are unloading precious cargo, their movements deliberate and precise. They are not alone. Alongside them, humanoid robots assist with the heavy lifting, their metallic limbs moving with tireless efficiency. It is a dance of collaboration between human and machine, a partnership essential for survival and progress on this new frontier. The air is filled with a fine haze of red dust, stirred by their activity, catching the light in a beautiful, ethereal way. Daily life in this Martian outpost is a marvel of routine and discovery. Each day begins not with the familiar blue sky of Earth but with a soft, butterscotch-colored dawn. The astronauts wake up inside their habitats, ready to face the challenges and wonders of another day on a different world. Their tasks are varied and vital. Some tend to the precious crops in the biodomes, ensuring the colony has a steady supply of fresh food. Others are scientists, studying Martian geology, searching for signs of past life, or monitoring the planet's unique weather patterns. Every individual plays a crucial role in this grand endeavor. The colony is a small town, a close-knit community bound by a shared purpose. Inside the common areas, people gather to share meals, discuss their findings, and connect with their families back on Earth. Laughter echoes in hallways that were once just designs on a screen. Children born on Mars learn about a home planet they have only seen as a bright star in their night sky. They play in parks under the domes, surrounded by earthly trees and grass, yet they are pioneers of a new generation. They are the first Martians, the living embodiment of humanity's journey into the cosmos, a future taking its first steps. Outside, the work of expansion and exploration never ceases. The rovers are the workhorses of the colony, venturing far beyond the safety of the domes. They carry astronauts on scientific expeditions to distant canyons and ancient riverbeds, places that hold the secrets of Mars's past. The astronauts collect rock samples, drill into the ice caps, and deploy instruments that listen to the faint whispers of the planet. They work with a sense of awe and reverence, knowing that they are treading on ground that no human has ever touched before. Every rock they turn over could reveal a new piece of the puzzle. The relationship between the colonists and their robotic assistants is one of perfect synergy. The robots perform the most strenuous and repetitive tasks, freeing the humans to focus on research and critical thinking. They repair equipment, maintain the solar arrays that power the colony, and even help construct new buildings. These machines are not just tools, they are trusted partners in survival. As the long Martian day draws to a close, long shadows stretch across the red landscape. the astronauts and robots return to the base, their work done, leaving behind only their tracks in the dust as a temporary signature of their presence. The landscape that surrounds the colony is both alien and magnificent. It is a world of stark, raw beauty, painted in shades of red, orange, and brown. In the distance, the colossal figure of Olympus Mons rises from the plains. It is the largest volcano in the solar system, a sleeping giant so vast that its peak disappears into the thin Martian atmosphere. Its gentle slopes are a reminder of the planet's violent volcanic past. Craters of all sizes pockmark the surface, timeless scars left by impacts from asteroids and comets millions of years ago, each one a window into the history of this world. The sky above is a wonder in itself. During the day it is a pale pink or orange, a result of the fine red dust suspended in the thin carbon dioxide atmosphere. Sunsets here are a spectacular sight, but not in the way one might expect. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky around it turns a vivid blue. It is a strange and beautiful reversal of the sunsets we know on Earth, and as darkness falls, the Martian sky reveals its true glory. The stars shine with an incredible clarity, unobscured by thick atmosphere or city lights. They look like diamonds scattered on black velvet, and then, there it is. Hanging in the dark sky is a single bright point of light, a star that shines with a distinct bluish-white hue. It is not a star, it is Earth. From this immense distance, our home planet with all its oceans, continents, and sprawling life, is reduced to a tiny, fragile-looking speck. Seeing it from here evokes a profound feeling of connection and distance all at once. It is a constant reminder of where we came from, the cradle of our species. It is the reason this mission exists, to carry the light of consciousness outwards from that one small, precious world. This vast, silent desert has a profound effect on those who live here. It teaches humility. Standing on the surface of Mars, one feels incredibly small in the face of such ancient and immense geology. The silence is absolute, broken only by the sound of one's own breathing inside a helmet or the faint hum of machinery. It is a world that commands respect. The colonists are not conquerors here, they are guests, learning to live in harmony with a planet that is not their own. They are explorers charting not just a new land, but a new relationship between humanity and the universe. This colony on Mars is more than just a scientific outpost. It is a symbol of what humanity can achieve when we work together. It represents the culmination of centuries of dreams, the work of countless scientists, engineers, and visionaries who dared to look up at the stars and imagine a future among them. To build a self-sustaining home on another planet is perhaps the most complex and ambitious undertaking in our history. It required collaboration on a global scale, transcending borders and differences. It is a powerful statement about our shared future and our collective potential. The challenges were immense. Mars is an unforgiving environment with its thin atmosphere, extreme temperatures, and powerful dust storms, but through innovation and perseverance, every obstacle was overcome. We learned how to extract water from the soil, how to generate breathable air from the Martian atmosphere, and how to shield ourselves from cosmic radiation. Every system in this colony is a miracle of science. The sunlight that filters through the dome, creating flares of light that dance across the interior, is a reminder of the energy we have harnessed. This achievement shows that with knowledge and determination, there are no limits to where we can go. In a time when our own planet faces so many challenges, this Martian colony serves as a beacon of hope. It demonstrates that we are capable of solving immense problems and creating a positive future. By learning to live sustainably on a world as harsh as Mars, we also learn valuable lessons about how to better care for our home planet, Earth. This venture is not about escaping our problems, it is about facing them with a renewed sense of purpose and a broader perspective. It is about proving that life and human consciousness is resilient and can find a way to flourish even in the most unlikely of places. The journey to Mars is just the beginning. It has opened a new chapter in the story of human exploration, a story that began when our distant ancestors first walked out of Africa. We are an exploring species driven by an innate curiosity to see what lies over the next hill, beyond the next ocean, and now, across the next planet. The tracks in the red dust will one day be joined by many more. This small settlement is the seed of a new branch of civilization. It is a promise to future generations that we will continue to reach for the stars, to learn, to grow, and to carry the flame of life forward into the great, wondrous expanse of the universe.